Withdraw on Binance in Australia using Payid. How to withdraw on Binance in Australia using Payid. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Now head over to trade. Now click on P2P. Now after that, make sure you select to sell because you want to withdraw your crypto on your account. Now after that, after you select your crypto, you can select it from here. Now after that, make sure to select your local currency, and for this it will be OID, the currency of Australia. Now all the payment, now select the Payid. Now after that, it will refresh this page. Now it shows all the advertisers that accept Payid. Now after you make sure you select the that you want to sell to. Now click on sell USDT. Now after that, make sure you read all the advertiser terms from here. Now here enter how much you want to sell, and this is how much you will receive. Now after that, in the payment, select Payid, and now you can enter your Payid, like use the ID of your account. Now after that, click on confirm, and you will be you will add it or add your Payid in your Binance account. Now after that, you are be able to withdraw on Binance in Australia using Payid. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.